A man walked into a pet store looking for a new companion and stumbled upon a colorful parrot. The parrot immediately caught his attention by squawking, "Hey, you! I'm a master at solving mysteries." Intrigued, the man decided to take the parrot home. Days passed, and the man noticed the parrot had vanished from its cage. Frantic, he searched the house and finally found the parrot perched on a branch in the backyard. Out of breath, the man asked, "Where have you been? I've been looking all over for you." The parrot replied, "I was out solving the case of the missing sunflower seeds. Turns out it was the squirrel all along." The man laughed, realizing he had taken home the most detective-minded parrot in the animal kingdom.